Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one question that came through also about privacy. Someone was saying that Windows 11, it seems that it sends more data, snoops more than Windows 10. And is that true? Technically, it is true because Windows 11 does chat more. It's been seen that when you look at the network, it sends more uh, data to Microsoft than Windows 10 does. A lot of it has to do with mostly the diagnostics and data that to try and help and fix problems, but it is known to also share more data with Microsoft about for advertising purposes, basically. So this, when we talk about the different privacy things in Windows, I often talk about how there are things that you should look at. There's the diagnostics and feedback, of course, but there's also all sorts of things with advertising ID and, you know, um, all the things that people don't necessarily want, um, which is sad because it's an operating system and Windows should not be there to add to marketing information and you know kind of track people to give them advertising and give that information to third party advertisers also, which will use that data to try to feed you ads. So technically, yes, Windows 11 does snoop more on you to, but mostly for, once again, advertising purposes, which is sad. You can, of course, go to the different options like I just went to where you can switch off certain, information, but it doesn't remove the tracking per se. It just, gives you, like, for example, the advertising ID. There's the personalized offers here at the top. You could see there's advertising ID here where it lets you, uh, gives you are assigned to you an ID that will have all the information for advertising purposes. But switching this off doesn't remove that. It simply anonymizes that, which means instead of having ads that might be catered to what you do and what you like, and now they're going to be kind of random because you're refusing to send information that are a little more personal, but it still, snoops on you and it still does what it has to do. This is the bad part of Windows 11, and it was also a bad part in Windows 10. Windows 10, when it came out, was one of the complaints, and it continues to be a complaint among users about the fact that we're kind of being used in some advertising with third-party software and third-party companies. But it is true that Windows 11 seems to send a little more information um, for that purpose than Windows 10 did. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.